The Stack Ivy Warrior Restaurant at Fort Carson closed its doors in December 2025 to begin remodeling and modernizing meal service as part of the Army's focus on improving soldiers' quality of life. The new pilot program, called Campus-Style Dining, will replace traditional Warrior restaurant meals with an expanded college campus-style dining experience. The Army's objective for the new dining venue is to improve the overall environment. Army surveys indicate that troops want food service with flexible and extended hours, a better social atmosphere, technology, and healthy food options that combine convenience with quality.
Well, soldiers are going to love it, one, because this is something that they want, just to go with the ambiance in the room, right? You got stuff that soldiers want to be in here, plug in their cell phone chargers and stuff like that. So that's the stuff that kind of soldiers want to do. So they're going to be more inclined to come in here and do it, and it's nutritious.
Campus-style dining venues will also institute a new flexible spending program called Freedom Dollars to allow the daily meal entitlement spending money available to be used throughout the day. This program allows troops to purchase food items at their convenience rather than at fixed mandatory times. A leading North American food service company will staff and operate the Stackhouse Bistro, easing the burden traditionally supported by culinary specialist soldiers who will see an increased focus on training and feeding soldiers in the field. The initiative also aims to attract family members, DoD civilians, and contractors to the new bistro, creating a common place where service members past and present can gather, have a cup of joe, build cohesion, and support the mission in a modern dining environment.